Hello guys. So guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can earn money with Univox. Univox is a great site to earn money, and as you can see, join us to get $2 survey made just for you. मतलब if you join it, then you will get instantly $2. Joining is very simple in three steps. You can see here: registration for free, participate in surveys, and earn rewards. So now I'm showing you this is the registration form for this site. You just have to choose your language. Here you can see this is English language is a normal language. You can choose if you want to choose another. Then you can see there are so many options, and give here your first name, last name, gender, email, confirm password, your date of birth, address, chip code, and captcha. Fill this captcha, and click on the I have read and agreed, and then click on sign me up. And guys, for doing sign up, I have given a link in the description box. You can just visit the link, click on that link, and you can reach to this site, and then just simply you can sign up on this site. So guys, after filling up that form, you will see the following page. This will ask for more information about you, like what city do you live in. You have indicated that you have a child. Means all information about you. So just give all information whatever the site is asking, and just click on next. So guys, you can see after completing the profile tab, you will see here automobile, food, health, shopping, and technology. There are questions in all these tabs, so just fill these all questions and click to update. You can see here while you click again on next, at last you will see the update tab. So just click on update tab, and your profile will be completely updated. So guys, after filling up all these sections, your profile will be completed, and now you can start earning. So now I'm going to show you these three lines. What menus are there. So you can see here, and this is first one. This first is dashboard. You can see here whatever, like I'm showing you. I have clicked on dashboard, and here you will see complete information about your tasks, like how many service you have completed, point balance, like you can see here. While I completed my profile, so I earned 200 points, which I can redeem for money. So you can see here the second is my service. If you click here, then you will see all surveys. For by taking this surveys you can earn money. So you can see here 75 points. So 75 points, almost like 60-65 rupees easily you can earn. So you can see here all surveys that are those are available. And the next is profile surveys. Here you will see surveys related to profile. And next is my point. Here you will see all your points. My account section, there will be shown your account information, which you can update if you want. Next is redeem point. If you have to redeem your point for money, then you can do it. You can take this coupon voucher for any site, for any e-commerce site, whatever are available. And you can even withdraw your money in your PayPal account. Next is refer friend. If you want to refer any friend this site, and you can do it, and you can earn reward for it, like $1, $2. And my pulse, here you can find polls, and you can give your opinion. Wall of fame forum. uh, so you can see by clicking on these steps. What is this is not much important, so I'm not telling. So here you can see this is toll free number. If you want to talk auto. So this is toll free number, you can click on it and you can dial this number and you can talk to Univox team. Next is contact form and privacy policy, you can read this. So guys, this is about all this site. So I hope you would love this site. You will earn so much good money here, easy money, by taking paid service. So guys, hope you liked it. So I will meet you in my next video with some other ways to make money online. Till then, bye bye.